श्रीपाद राजम शरण्यम प्रपद्ये श्रीपाद श्रीवल्लभ चरित्र अमृतम. Chapter 7, The Description of Universal Spheres, Part 4. It gives knowledge and wisdom. Result of Parayana of Chapter 7 is for gaining scholarship. Dvipas, Dvipa Adhipatis and Dvipa Devatas. Whereas Jambu Dvipa in Mahabhumi was ruled by Swayambhuva Manavu as the first emperor, his sons became kings for the other islands. Medatidhi ruled Plakshma Dvipa. Vapushmanta ruled Salmama Dvipa. Jyotismanta ruled Kusa Dvipa. Dudhimanta ruled Kwancha Dvipa. Havya ruled Saka Dvipa. Savana ruled Pushkara Dvipa as the first emperors respectively. In Plaksha Dvipa, Aryaka, Kurara, Vindaka and Bhavina are the four castes who reside. For them, Vishnu in the shape of moon is the deity. In Salmali Dvipa, Kapila Varna, Chakravaka Varna, Pitta Varna and Krishna Varna are the four castes who reside. They are worshippers of Vishnu. In Kusa Dvipa, Dami, Sushmina, Sneha and Mandeha are the four castes who reside. For them, Brahma is deity of worship. In Krauncha Dvipa, Pushkara, Pushkala, Dhanya and Pishya are the four castes who reside. For them, Rudra is the deity of worship. In Saka Dvipa, Manga, Magadha, Manasa, Manda are the four castes who reside. They worship sun god. In Pushkara Dvipa, there are no castes. All are happy like celestials without any suffering from diseases and sorrows. For them, Brahma is deity of worship. In a Jambu Dvipa of our earth, Bharat Varsha, Kimpurusha Varsha, Hari Varsha, Ketumala Varsha, Ilyavruta Varsha, Bhadravasva Varsha, Ramayaka Varsha, Hirinaka Varsha and Kuru Varsha are there. Grandpapa, just as Jambu Dvipa with the division of continents exists in Mahabhumi, another Jambu Dvipa with bifurcation of regions exists in Earth's hemisphere. Mahabhumi is round with an elevated area in the middle like the shell of a tortoise. This is called Bhumandala. The globe of the earth is, however, like a lemon fruit. Mahabhumi encircles Meru Rekha and extends up to the wall of the Brahmanda, but earth stood in the equimiddle point of the circular illumination. Jambu Dvipa lies encircling the line of Meri mountain, which is in the middle of the Mahabhumi. 7 seas and islands are situated around it. In the earth, the northern hemisphere is called Devabhaga and the southern hemisphere is called Asura Bhaga. Meru is divinely shining in the equidistant central point in the Mahabhumi. It is the habitation of Manus who ruled over humans. Bhugola is the place of humans who are under the rule of Manus. The wheel of illumination is fixed on the top of the Chakravala mountain, which is situated around in the Mahabhumi. The Bhugola is, however, situated differently. Sparkling of wheel of illumination covered by 7 paths go around the earth once in a day. In Mahabhumi, cold, heat and other climatic conditions are less. It is always day with no night and no difference in time. It is different in Bhugola only on account of the results of righteous acts of merit one can reach Mahabhumi. Bhugola is a karma bhumi for earning punya. People with gross bodies have to live on earth. In Mahabhumi, small pralaya do not take place. Only Manu Pralayas takes place. In Bhugola, Yuga Pralaya, Mahayuga Pralaya and Manu Pralaya are happening. Mahabhumi is called Dhatri and Vidhatri. Bhugola is called Mahi, Urvi, Chiti, Prithvi and Bhumi. Grandpapa, I am now telling you about nether worlds, Patal Lokas. Listen. Ghosts live in Atala. Guyakas live in Vitala. Demons live in Sutala. Spirits abound in Rasatala. Yakshas in Talatala. Mains in Mahatala. And serpents in Patala reside. Digambara, Digambara, Shripad Vallabh Digambara, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, Shripad Vallabh Digambara, Shripad Rajam Sharanyam Prapadde.